Hi guys, welcome to the video. So it's finally here, the GoPro 10 vlogging videographer bundle is here. Let's go and unbox it. Okay, just before I unbox it, we're going to actually take a look online at the GoPro store, have a look what I've paid for it and see what should be in here, and we'll explain what's actually come in. I've actually wanted the GoPro for a while now. The channel's up to 200 subscribers, it's going really well, but I want something better than my phone. I've had a problem with my phone really, in that my charging socket is broke, so I can't. It's getting really hard to transfer files from my phone to laptop. I'm having to sit there and put pressure on the cable, and if you move a millimetre you lose it again. So I've wanted something else to record on for a while. That's why I've ordered the GoPro 10. I've ordered the Vlogging Videographer YouTube bundle, which is a new bundle from them. So let's jump on the computer right now. Let's go through what I've ordered and the descriptions, and I'll show you how much they cost, and then we'll unbox at the end. So it's been a few seconds for you. It's been about 9 hours for me. I've been at work. I have to do a shift. I'm back now though. As you can see, we're on the screen. We're on GoPro.com. I had to go on the English site. I've just recorded all this and found out it was in US dollars, so I've re-recorded it all. You see there, the new Hero 10 is $399. You've got to have the year's subscription for that though. The year's GoPro subscription is £50. And obviously you save quite a lot of money doing that. I don't want just the GoPro though. I want this. So look in here, cameras. You can see this new one here. I saw this actually on Facebook to start with. This is what caught my eye. It's the Hero 10 Black Creator Edition. So let's click on that and let's see what you get. So there, that's what you get basically. You get the stand with it. You get a battery, a SIM card, a memory card, the actual GoPro Hero 10. You get a light mod and you get the media mod. The media mod is what I really wanted. But we'll have a look at the stand in a minute, and you'll see why I like this new stand as well. It's a new one. So I basically bought this for £578. It should have been £800, but like I say, because I got that 1 year subscription, I actually only paid $578. If I don't, what I'll do is I'll try it for a year while I've paid for it. If I don't like it, I'll just cancel it. It's no biggie. So let's have a look at some of the things about this. So the Hero 10 Black Creator Edition is an all-in-one content capturing powerhouse that makes vlogging, filmmaking and live streaming easier than ever. This complete system features pro quality 5.3K video, Emmy award winning hyper smooth 4.0 video stabilization, enhanced audio, powerful LED lighting and 4 hours of 4K recording per charge. Unlimited cloud backup and auto uploads, no questions asked camera replacement, that'll be quite handy I'm pretty sure. Unlimited use of the Quick app, which is what I've downloaded now, and up to 50% off GoPro.com. And there's some highlights there. Extended battery life. Another picture of it in full view. Going to accessories, mounts. Okay, this is it here, the Volta. It should be £107 by the way. If we just click on that, this is the actual. This is what you're getting with it. You can see it's actually a battery itself, which gives it extended life. So ultra versatile by design, Volta is a premium battery grip and a whole lot more. It combines with the standard GoPro battery to deliver over 4 hours of 5.3K recording, a total of 3 times the normal runtime. This is why I wanted that mount as well. It also features built-in buttons for easy one-handed camera control. It can also be used as a wireless camera remote and has flip-out legs that transform into a handy tripod. So you can see it's got the built-in battery as well. So not only you've got the battery in the GoPro, you've also got the battery in the stand as well, which is really why I liked it. So yeah, that's it. That's what I bought. It did cost nearly £600. It was free delivery. Let's go and unbox it. The exciting part. Okay, time for the unboxing. There it is. It's quite a big, decent box actually. It weighs up to 2 kilograms. So let's dig into the box, shall we? I've been waiting for this all day. Try not to damage the box too much, just in case I need to send it back. It's pretty well shipped. It came with UPS. The shipping itself, it told me I could have free shipping with delivery on the 16th, which was about 5 days away, or I could pay £5 more for pretty much next day delivery. I went with free shipping, and it came within 3 days anyway, so might as well just get the free shipping, I think. This is really this is really well packed. Okay, we're in. Oh wow, even the box is cool. Let's take a look. Okay, that's the media mod. It's one box. And we've got the actual GoPro Hero 10 in another box. That's the light mod that's come with it. And the Volta, the stand. As I've just said on the video before, this Volta stand, it comes as a battery as well. It's a second battery, which is really handy because I'm sick of people telling me they're having to swap batteries so quick, so often. So hopefully with the Volta being used... Oh, something else in here is the little SD card. I did read some reviews when I bought this saying that the SD card wasn't in there. I can see why people are missing it. It's very small, and it's just freely in there, so it could move around a bit. And then there's my invoice, guys. I'm not going to show you what it is. There's no cost on it anyway. But yeah, that's the box. What do I open first? How about the actual GoPro 10? Let's do the GoPro 10 first. The box is pretty cool looking. Awesome, right? It comes with a case as well. I forgot to tell you that, guys. I'm almost scared to rip into this, but I need to get in it, unfortunately. Yeah, so there's the GoPro case it comes in. You get a nice like zip case. There's the first look inside. So we've got the USB cord. There's the battery. And that's like a mount joint. No idea what that is. It looks like something sticky on the back though, so it might be to stick down on something maybe. We've got the screw. I presume that's for the mount to go through, you know, to keep it attached. There it is. Beautiful. GoPro Hero 10. So you can see you've got the front screen, so you can see what you're recording. If I'm doing a selfie walk, I can actually see what I'm recording. Got the lens you can see there. On the back you've got one giant screen as well. Power button on the side. Something on the top. I guess that's where your battery goes, down there. I'm not going to play with it too much, but yeah, that's the GoPro. I'm just going to put all these back in the case for now while we unbox the other stuff. So there's the screw. I am never going to get these back in the right way around, I can guarantee it. Okay, that'll do. It's also got some instructions in there as well, which I'm going to have to read. That's the GoPro box. Awesome. Okay, what's next? Light mod. Sorry, that's facing me. Light mod. Let's quickly have it open this. Feels like Christmas. Okay, again, trying to be careful, but I do just need to get in the box, unfortunately, so. Okay, here we go. So again, instructions, which I'm pretty sure is pretty handy. Oh, I'm going to have to rip the box, I'm afraid. I don't know how you get into this and send them back if there's anything wrong, I'm not sure, but oh crap. Okay, so there's the light mod. It's got a cap with it as well. I presume that's to go over the actual, to protect the light. There's the mount for it as well, so you've got the light and the mount. There's something else in here as well. Another USB cable. Not sure what that's for. Maybe I have to plug a cable in, I'm not sure. I didn't think you had to do that. Okay, that's the light. Next, media mod. This is what I'm looking forward to. I wanted to get this because I've heard about sound quality, and you know, if you're gonna spend this much money on a product, like I have, might as well pay the full amount for everything. There's no point spending all this money and not having great sound, is there? So this is harder to get into. Okay, here we go. Again, instructions manual. So we have the clip for it, and we have another mount screw, and the media mod. So you can see inside is the microphone. Top. Oops. So you can see inside is the actual, not quite sure which way around it goes. I presume it's that way. That's the sound muffler on. Sorry, you can't, it's not very focused, is it? Sorry guys. But yeah, that's it there for you. Got the buttons on, it's got room for the light on top. Okay, last but not least, it's the stand. Again, I'm going to have to just rip it to get in, unfortunately. These boxes have got no way of getting in unless you actually rip it open. Okay, lots of instruction manuals in this one. Again, I'm not going to get it out, but you can see we've got the screw and the mount joint there again. We've got another USB cable down there. I'm going to leave all that in, you've seen all that already. So we're going to leave all those in. There's the actual stand. So this one actually connects into the Hero 10, because like I said, it is a battery as well as a mount. So this one is a pretty big handle actually. It's not the comfiest to hold actually. It's a bit thick. But yeah, you've got all the buttons on the top, your power button, etc., etc. Sorry, the focus again on there is terrible. Right, let me get out of the way. So yeah, that's the. You can extend it for the stand, so you can have a three-way stand. As you'd expect, it's got all the GoPro logo in on. So that's it, guys. That's the unboxing of the GoPro. I really love this case. I wonder if I can get everything in here in the case. I bet you I can't. But never mind. So that's it for this part of the video. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to test the camera out. I think I might have to charge it all up. So I'll test the camera out and I'll show you some footage on the camera. This is actually being played on my phone at the minute. It is a really good phone, like I say. If you've been watching the start of the video, you'll know it's just because the charging point unfortunately is broke. It can charge, but it's taking me an awful long time to move files over to my laptop from my phone, so that's why I wanted to buy this. Anyway, this is like Christmas. I'm going to charge it all up and we'll have a look at what the footage is like. Okay guys, just a very quick view of the actual setup. You see the camera is now on top. This battery charging handle, you can see each dot represents 20%, so you can see this is currently 40 to 60% charged. The camera's on charge as well. But yeah, that's what it looks like fully set up. Let's jump onto the camera now and see what the camera's like. So guys, here's the GoPro on for you. This is a bit of my house. Nothing that interesting to see. And there I am. So yeah, this is the quality on the camera. It's just recording on 4K. I can actually see it in front of me now, facing the camera. It says how long it's been recording for. It's got a battery. It's on, let me know it's on wide angle, and it's 30 frames per second at 4K recording. So yeah, that's the camera, that's the view. I will tell you, it was a son of a to set up. I had quite a bit of difficulty actually. I've never owned a GoPro before, so maybe it's just me being stupid, but I tried everything to pair and sync and it wouldn't do it. I couldn't figure out why. And then eventually I got things plugged in to charge, and apparently the battery was so low. It has to have 10% battery before you can actually sync to your phone and your app. So that's what I was having issues with. I'm still having trouble transferring files across. I'm not sure how best to do it. Again, it's just because I've never used a GoPro before, you know. I'm sure it'll be fine, but hey ho, there we are. Learning curve to come. That's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I can't believe I've got a GoPro 10. It's only cost £600, but it was worth the investment I think for you guys. I want the very best quality videos when I get back to Thailand. Speaking of which, November I'm still trying my hardest for. The prices are still way up there. There are some nicely priced flights from Heathrow. Direct flights for about £650. It's just getting to Heathrow on my own is £250 in a taxi. I've looked at National Express and I think I can get there and back for £50, or 45 I think it was. But it involves like a 6-hour coach ride, and that's before the 12-hour direct flight and the 3 hours in the airport before we fly. It's going to be an extremely long day, but I'm trying to see if I can get a friend to actually take me down. So fingers crossed for November, and I'm rambling on now. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, bye for now.